Presenting Winmate's marine-grade solutions, rugged, certified systems designed for marine environments across commercial, naval, defense, and private sectors. Winmate's marine product line includes 3 core categories: marine panel PCs, displays, and embedded computers. These are purpose-built for maritime use, offering exceptional durability, seamless integration, and certified compliance with marine standards. All products are rigorously tested to ensure functionality in harsh, unpredictable environments on the water. Winmate's panel PCs and displays are available in standard, ECDIS, dashboard, and 4K configurations. Screen sizes range from compact 10-inch units to expansive 55-inch displays. Powered by Intel processors, they offer high-performance computing and display clarity, even in challenging lighting. Each product features an IP65 rated front panel and panel mount design, ensuring protection from water and dust. Most importantly, they meet marine certifications guaranteeing reliability and safety. For more compact or modular setups, Winmate's embedded computers offer a powerful, fanless solution. These are equipped with Intel processors and offer ample memory and storage capacity, tailored to meet your demanding industrial needs. Built to operate in temperatures from -15 to 55 degrees Celsius and up to 95% humidity, they're housed in rugged aluminum enclosures. A 24 volts DC input with certified protection ensures compatibility with marine power systems. What makes Winmate stand out are the key features across all products. Our marine-grade systems meet industrial marine standards, ensuring global compliance. Winmate offers flexible I/O connectivity, including LAN, NMEA ports, and digital I/O for seamless integration. Advanced in-house technology like optical bonding, anti-reflective and anti-glare coating, and ECDIS color calibration enhance visibility and usability, especially in direct sunlight or nighttime operations. Winmate solutions play critical roles across a ship's entire operational ecosystem, enhancing performance, safety, and situational awareness at sea. For navigation, Winmate solutions support ECDIS, radar, and GPS integration, ensuring accurate route planning and safe maneuvering. In monitoring and control, they deliver live engine diagnostics, alarm status, and CCTV surveillance to keep all systems in check. On the communication front, our rugged displays and embedded computers manage satellite links and VHF radio interfaces, maintaining reliable connectivity between the vessel, shore stations, and nearby ships. One of the biggest advantages of Winmate's product line is how seamlessly these solutions integrate across a ship's entire operations, from the bridge to the engine room and security stations. On the bridge, multiple Winmate products work in harmony: panel PCs at the helm, embedded computers in the control room, and rugged displays monitoring key systems. Together, these solutions form a unified, connected network that help ensure smooth sailing and enhances operational safety and overall efficiency even in the most demanding maritime environments. Winmate's marine-grade solutions offer certified, customizable, and rugged technology designed to tackle today's maritime challenges. Whether you need reliability, integration, or compliance, Winmate has a solution for your unique industrial needs. We look forward to partnering with you on your next project at sea. For more information or to learn how Winmate's marine-grade solutions can improve your operations at sea, feel free to contact us. Winmate is here to help you find the right solution for your needs.